Raecho Air Compressor Nebulizer. Accessories: Nebulizer, angled mouthpiece, adults and children mask, air tube, tube connector, air filter and cover, air vents, power switch, crescent-shaped groove. Connect the nebulizer. Gently twist the nebulizer and fill the bottom section with the medication. Attach one end of the air tube to the base of nebulizer. Another end connect to the compressor. Attach the mouthpiece or mask to the top section of the nebulizer. Details of the air filter.